Good day everyone. Today I'm gonna teach you how to use a vernier caliper. What is a vernier caliper? Vernier caliper is a precision measuring tool used by engineers or machinists in order to measure something accurately. So what are the parts of a vernier caliper? So we start here, which is the main scale. Here we can see the measurements, which is in the bottom part are the millimeters and the upper part is the inches. So every line corresponds to 1 millimeters. So we just focus first on millimeters. Now as you can see here, so every line here is equivalent to 0.05 millimeters. That's why we can see here there's a 0.05 millimeters. Now the other part is this thumb screw. This thumb screw is used to move the vernier caliper during measurement sideways, and when you release it you can lock it and you cannot move this part. So you can check the measurement after you measure something. And then this part is the lower jaws. These lower jaws are used for outside measurements. This part are the upper jaws, which are used for inside measurements, like inside diameter or inside measurement of something. And on the rear part here is the depth rod. So depth rod is used to know the depth of something. So how to use this vernier caliper? So I have here 3 pieces. So we can take an example. So first is this one. So to measure the outside diameter of this bigger pipe fitting, we can use the lower jaws and then release the thumb screw and then remove the piece so that you can comfortably look at the measurement. So as you can see, these 0 almost align or in between 40 millimeters and 39 millimeters. So we can use these lower numbers. So the exact measurement of the outside diameter of that piece is 39 point, and we look which line here on the bottom align on the upper lines. So as we can see, the line that align is this one, which is 65. Therefore the measurement of that piece is 39.65 millimeters. So we can measure accurately the outside diameter of this part. Now we measure the diameter of the smaller part. Okay, then remove the thumb screw, remove the piece, and then see the measurement. Now we focus on the line 0, and this 0 align before 34 millimeters. So we can say that the measurement is 33 millimeters point. We can see here point 70 or 75 millimeters. So the measurement is 33.75 millimeters. So that is the measurement of the diameter of the smaller part. Now, how do you measure the inside diameter? To measure the inside diameter, we can use the upper jaws. So to measure, just measure like this, and then depress the thumb screw, and then remove the piece. Now we can see the measurement. So as you can see, the zero line aligns with 30. So we can say that the measurement of the inside diameter is 30 millimeters, or to be exactly or accurately 30.1 millimeters, because this one aligns with the upper line. Okay, so look at the other lines. Other lines do not align with the upper line. This lower line do not align with the upper line, but you can see this one really align with the upper line, which means the exact measurement is 30.1 millimeters. Another example is this bolt. This bolt is a M8 bolt. So why it is an M8? So we measure the part with a thread, so we can see that it's almost 8 millimeters. Not exactly 8 millimeters, but almost 8 millimeters. That is why it is called an M8. This 8 is the measurement of this part, and the head measures almost 14 millimeters. So to tighten or loose this bolt, you need a 14 size wrench. To measure the length, you can do this like this. Okay, so almost 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters. Here is a nut. This nut, we can measure the size, the outside. So the measurement is almost 13 millimeters. So that's how you measure a bolt or a nut. We can also measure the inside diameter, so that we can know what bolt can fit with it. So here the size is 7, which means M8 can fit with this nut. To test, we can do this one, see if it fit. So that's all for today. I hope you learned something. Just follow me on my YouTube channel. You can subscribe, hit like. Thank you for watching.